Hello and welcome to Sarah's Samutsari. My father always wanted me to learn something new, so he always enrolled me in different classes for me to learn a new skill. I have always wanted to learn Ikebana. However, I have never attended a class because my mom, my sister, and my husband are all very good flower arrangers, and so I felt rather insecure. Today, finally attended my first Ikebana class, and today marked the beginning of my love affair with Ikebana. I was able to take a short video of my teacher talking about herself and how she started doing Ikebana. I also took some short clips of her introduction on Ikebana. However, I am not providing a complete video of the entire lesson as a courtesy to her. This video aims to show you, whatever age you are, you will be able to learn how to make Ikebana arrangements. So, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want some information about the class, I will provide it in the description box below. And if you want to be notified that a new video is up, please click on the bell. Enjoy!
Today is a Sunday and I have just arrived in Glebe, an inner western suburb of Sydney. Across the road is Yuga Flora, where the Ikebana class will be held. And right next door is a cafe, which is very convenient.
Hi everybody, this is my teacher, my Ikebana teacher, and she will be talking about herself and what she has been doing regarding Ikebana.
Hi, my name is Setsuko. I have been teaching Ikebana and other flower arrangement in my belief shop. And my mom taught me how to do Ikebana since I was young. So it's quite a long time I have been doing. But teaching is about maybe 15 years. And I'm very, very happy to enjoy together.
Setsuko started the class by providing a brief background on Japan.
The Samurai War era was united by the top of samurai, shogun. Yeah, that time is Edo era. Edo era was about nearly 300 years. And have you been to Japan?
No.
You?
Twice.
Twice. Okay.
You
Maybe
should.
next time when the COVID was settled down. Japan is actually a small country, and we have the main island like Hokkaido and Honshu, Shikoku and Kyushu and Okinawa, and with the other small islands. So Hokkaido and Okinawa are quite different, even small country. Food and culture and language as well. And the middle is we have the main island called Honshu. Honshu has got like Tokyo and Kyoto and Osaka and Hiroshima.
Setsuko then proceeded by providing us with a brief history on Ikebana.
Originally created by Japanese monk, so more purely religious purpose. So our main religion is Buddhism. So Buddhist temple, the monk created the flower arrangement. That is the start. Okay, so that's more like a spiritual thing. So we create principle is we create flower arrangement in silence and also focus on forms and lines and also space, and yeah, also really admiring the nature. It's I think we've started to ignore the nature that is causing the all global problem too. So long time ago, it's created for religious purpose, and now it's more like a hobby and also art of flowers.
Setsuko then proceeded by showing us how to use a kenzan. Kenzan literally means sword mountain. A kenzan is also called a spiky frog. It is a device used in the Japanese art of Ikebana for fixing the flowers in the container. It is made of a heavy lead plate with brass needles where the flowers and stems are fixed.
So it's standing, even straight or angle, whatever. Yeah, and when you
Setsuko then showed us how to turn the flowers around to find the right angle before sticking it onto the kenza.
and I'm gonna turn, different line, the different face coming up. Can you see? Yeah, like this way and this way and this way. Okay, and also when it's buds, you can't imagine this flowers coming up like this way, and the color change, and you have to enjoy the process of the flowers for the autumn.
Setsuko then demonstrated how to make Ikebana arrangements. She provided us with tips and tricks on how to make our arrangements. She said that we don't need a lot of flowers to create a beautiful arrangement. We only need to select about 2 or 3 different florals that have various colors or textures, and that we should choose stems that will drape. There are 3 main elements in Ikebana arrangements. The 10, the tallest piece, represents heaven. Jin, the medium piece, represents humanity. And Chi, the shortest piece, represents earth. The longest stem, or the 10, is around 1.5 or 2 times the diameter of the bowl plus the height of the bowl. The medium stem, or the Jin, should be 2/3 of the length of the shin, and the shortest stem, or the Chi, should be 2/3 of the Jin. The water in the bowl should be replenished daily. To do this, we only need to lift out the kenzan that holds the arrangement out of the dish or the bowl and change the water. In so doing, the flowers will last longer. All the materials were provided in the class except for the bowl or dish and the kenzan. These are the 2 arrangements that I made at home. The bowls that I used were handmade by my husband. The flowers that I used in the first arrangement are a lily and an iris. The second arrangement has a peony. Valeria, an Ikebana teacher, said that Ikebana is more than simply putting flowers in a container. Ikebana is an art, in the same sense that painting and sculpture are art. Ikebana helps you to live the moment and to appreciate things in nature that previously had seemed insignificant. One becomes more patient and tolerant of differences, not only in nature, but also generally in other people. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you found it informative and helpful. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching.